This is a warning that at the end of this video there is a loud noise from the motorcycle, so it might blow out your speakers. Viewer discretion has been advised. Thank you and have a nice day. Good morning, good afternoon. Welcome to my journey of learning to ride the 2023 Honda Rebel 300. Yes, I do have a Honda Rebel 300 and I'm learning to ride again after all these years of not riding. I rode dirt bikes when I was a kid and in high school. And I finally saved up the money and purchased this bike in 2023. This video was the first video we did 2 days before Christmas. It was 60 degrees weather and just learning for the spring. And yes, I will have my endorsement. It is insured and licensed. But this is the first video. You'll see hear my boyfriend helping me. He's training me. I'm listening to him. You'll see me laugh and giggle. But thank you for following on my journey, and have a nice day. Bye. This right here, I'm learning to. First thing, you want hold in the clutch before I start it and put it in gear, and getting a feel for the bike. Holding the clutch in, and this is right here where I'm like getting a feel for it. The clutch, easing it out before so I don't take off or it don't throw me. And this is I killed it a few times, but this is a lesson in training.
Wait, don't start it. Hold on. Wait. Why is your foot that way? Your foot should be straight ahead. Okay, that's better. Still, you're clipping it with your foot. Usually when I hit it, it's usually right about here. It's about halfway across my toes. Like that. That's better. Much better.
This right here where I killed it, and I'm like, well, what did I do? Oh, and then triggered what happened.
I hit it down.
You're not going to shift up. You're just shifting down. Don't worry about shifting up. Unless you're in first and you're going to get to neutral. That's the only time you worry about it.
Oh, and I had the clutch in, and when I pushed down.
Okay, put it back in neutral. If you can get to first and neutral. See, you're fidgeting with the shifter. You don't have to yet. You're not shifting up. All right.
Uh-oh.
Well, actually, you are. All right. Don't start it. All right. Shift up. From the bottom. Remember, it's one first gear. There you go. Now you got it.
Okay. Oh,
You
sorry.
have to shift with some kind of authority.
Okay.
You can't be timid with your shifts. If you're going to be that way, you have no place on a motorcycle. You're going to get it eventually. I know you are. You're doing good. And I'm not saying that because of your boyfriend. I've never taught anything.
This right here, I was learning to get it out of neutral and get into gear it to 1, so I can slowly start easing out with the clutch. And yeah, I was, okay, am I doing it wrong? I was questioning myself, but I eventually got it, and I'm getting better at this. And in my other 2 videos, you'll see this, that I have to edit and I have to work on and upload, but I'm learning.
Right, if you're in first and you kill
But if you're neutral, you have to go up.
No, if you go from neutral to up, you're going to second.
No, neutral, you go in 1.
Dear, I've been doing this for 40
watch it,
plus.
because I've been watching the screen. You have to go up to get into gear 1. I've been watching.
Gear 1 is all there is. There's nothing below gear 1, dear. It's 1 down, 5 up. There's nothing below 1. Everything is above.
And this is where the placement is 1 down, 5 up, and I'm learning as I'm riding and learning to ride 1 down, 5 up. And I'm getting that in my mindset. So 1 down, 5 up, and yeah, you'll see me. I was arguing back and forth, but he loves me.
First gear is down. Do I have to show you again?
I've been watching.
First gear is down. I I know what the fuck I'm talking about. I didn't live this long not knowing what I was doing. Okay, you're in neutral. Now you start it and then you push down. Down. You're trying to go up.
When I go in gear 1, it kills it.
Here, right here, I was letting off the clutch a little bit too fast. And I learned what I was doing. That I was letting go of the clutch too fast. I wasn't easing it. So that was my mistake, but I'm getting better at this.
And see, you're playing with the edge of the shifter. You can't do that. You've got to be on top of it. That's kind of like shifting and having two fingers on the shifter.
Reverse.
Okay. Let me see. Let me see. I know it's not easy. That's the reward. Okay, so start it. Now, don't play with it. You're playing with the side of your foot. Don't do that. Bottom of your foot. There you go. Perfect. That's. All right. Go ahead and get off.
Lesson here, I was still letting the clutch go a little bit too, fast. I was killing it. But this is part of learning.
Oh. I see where I did wrong.
What? What did you do?
Kickstand was down.
Yeah, I forgot to put the kickstand up right here. Whoopsie! This is, I hadn't ridden for, since high school. So, and again, this is the first time on a bike in many, many years, and first time training back on a bike.
Don't pick your feet up. You're not ready to do that yet. You need to get the feel of the clutch.
Here I was getting a little bit too antsy. I was wanting to pick my feet up on this one. But it was starting to pull me. And I killed it.
Keep your feet down. Don't try and pick your feet up. You're not at that stage yet. You need to get the feel. Actually, what you should be doing is do what I showed you the other night. Remember what I showed you? You got my memory. Let me refresh your memory. Get off for a second. Make sure your kickstand. Let it pull you a little bit. Keep your feet down. And then when you're ready, pull the clutch in, roll it back and do it again. Back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. Repetition. Be smooth. Be consistent with the clutch. There you go. There you go. There you go. Feet down. Keep your feet down. Don't even try and pick your feet up. There you go. Keep going. Keep going. There you go. Now pull it in. Pull it in. Pull it in. There you go. Good. Just do a little bit by little bit. Just keep doing it. There you go. Good. Doing good. There you go. Oh. There you go. You're doing good there. Good job, Mom. And up.
Oh, yeah. Oh, no.
There you go. Clutch in. Very good. Very good. You're doing good, hon. Not just saying that. You're doing really good. Just keep doing that over and over again. Keep your feet down. Don't even try and pick your feet up. Put it in gear. Keep your feet down. 'Cause now you know if you kill it, it's not going to get away from you. Be fine. Don't obsess over it. Just let it happen. There you go. Oh, there you go. That was good. Keep going. Keep growing. Oh, it's fine. You're going to do that a million times. It's part of the process. Up.
Oh, up.
There you go. Clutch in. Very good. Feet down. Quit watching the speedometer. That doesn't do anything for you. Just listen to the bike. Concentrate. You let times. Trust me. That's part of. See, that's why people are afraid to ride motorcycles. A lot of people don't have the skill to do it. You do. You're doing good. I mean that. You're doing great. You're doing a lot better.
See,
than
I've been watching those videos behind your back.
See, now if you had a.
What's been helping me get things down with the Honda Rebel, I've been watching Evergreen Motovlogs and other motorcycle creators in the community. That's been helping me. So thank you guys. Shout out to you guys. Bye.
There you go. There you go.
I killed it. Oops.
That's okay. I was waiting for you to drop it, but you didn't. Good job. You're doing good. I wish you would have stopped by the end, but you know, if you were comfortable and you're willing to keep going, but just keep in mind when you're going around here.
And for my first time being back on a motorcycle, I did good. And in the second video, you'll see me more. And I got a third video I need to edit. If you want to see me on my journey, make sure you like, share, subscribe, and watch my journey on the 2023 Honda Rebel 300. Thank you. Have a nice day.
It's like you teaching her, I'm like, I'm trying. He said, she'll get it. It was really good.